Hi everyone. So I want to hire people who are preparing full-time for GATE. If you have taken a drop to prepare full-time for GATE, I want to work with you. Okay. So what is the work that we are going to do is uh, basically we have to write uh, or prepare PDFs or textbooks. Okay. So the thing is, for any subject in computer science, there are multiple books available, right? So I will tell you, or I will assign you a work where you have to read a particular topic in a particular subject and you have to summarize it, and we have to write it in a simple form and then provide it to me, and we will give it to the students so that they will not miss out on anything. For example, if you see operating systems, there are mainly 4 books, 5 books. Okay. So all these 5 books, we have to condense them in such a way that, because not every topic is good in every subject, and I know which topic is good in what subject, right? So I will assign you work. So basically, all that I want from you is to work hard and get and make the course the best, right? So we are going to discuss in the videos everything possible without leaving out anything. Students should have one stop solution. That's it. If they watch our videos, they should not watch any other videos, right? So we are going to cover everything in detail, right from basics, and also we are going to write textbooks, which will be very simple for BTech students to understand. And I have written a compiler design textbook, and one good thing about that compiler design textbook is you take any textbook, they will give you exercise problems, but they are not going to give you solutions, right? Now, if you go to any institute, be it IIT Bombay or IISc, on the first day of the class, they are not going to teach you anything. They are going to give you an assignment, and the assignment is to solve exercise problems from standard textbooks, right? And I know what those problems are. So we are going to take every textbook and we are going to solve all the exercise problems. Don't worry if you don't have knowledge about a subject. I will explain you how to solve each question. You just have to put it in wording and we will put it in the textbook. So our textbooks are going to contain all the exercise problems, very difficult problems solved. Okay, for every subject. Now, your work will not be like you don't have to read too many things. I will just give you one textbook or one subject, and you work only on that subject. It will not take too much time. Okay, and it will be helpful for your GATE preparation. If I take, let us say, TOC, I will tell you what topics to read from Ullman and Peter Linz. Okay, and there are few other books also. We will focus on all those books, and I will tell you which topics to take from where and which topics to take from my videos, right? And then we are going to compile everything in a beautiful PDF, and we are going to provide it as a notes to the GATE registered students, and we are going to provide it as a textbook to the BTech students, right? So your major work will be working on GATE subjects, and I will guide you personally how to prepare, which subject to prepare, which videos to watch from my course, and which textbooks to revise. So in fact, you know what, this will be a great opportunity for you to learn, because we are forming a team of very big team of people, and every day everyone will be assigned work and they are going to discuss it with our group, and everyone is going to learn from everyone. So I expect top 100 ranks from this group. Okay, so in fact you should be paying me for this. Okay, but that's not a concern. I will give you all my courses for free, and you can work with me. And in case if you are willing to work for free, you will be our top priority. And if you want some stipend kind of stuff, you can get 5,000 per month as stipend. That is also not a problem. And the second thing is, in whatever books I write, I am going to include your name in the acknowledgement. Okay, because you are not going to write the entire book. I am going to write the entire book, right? And many people will be working on it in parts. So I cannot put you as a co-author. because I am the one who is finally going to compile everyone. So I will be the author, but I will mention all your names in the acknowledgement. Okay. And this time I want all top 100 ranks, not just one or two ranks. I want all the 100 ranks. With our students should get all the 100 ranks. Okay. And one more thing is, we should not miss out anything, even a single question we should not miss out. That should be the target. Okay. So I will also give the students a challenge. Okay. Take any of my subjects that I'm going to teach live. Okay. If you find that someone in some institute has taught something which I missed out, be it a shortcut or a problem or a concept, I will fully refund your fee. Okay. So if you watch my videos, you don't have to watch videos of any other faculty of any other institute. That is, I want to save your time, right? So why should you watch multiple courses when everything is available and everything is perfect, right? We are not going to miss out anything. And when I start the live classes, you will understand it. Okay. That's now we are going to set a bar for gate. Okay. So I have set it earlier. Now again, I am going to set a bar. Okay. And let's work hard. And one more thing, you should be willing to work for 20 hours a day. There will be lot of work, lot of learning. And if you are willing to put in 20 hours per day, then you can apply for this. And the link is in the description. Okay. Uh, fill the link. And more than anything, I want to see how motivated you are. And I am going to personally call you. It doesn't matter, even if there are thousands of students, still I will call everyone and I will pick the best among you, and we will make the best team, and best videos and best PDFs, practice questions, whatever you say. There should not be a single remark on our course. Okay. So we will work hard to make it happen. Thank you all.